In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use some of the features in J2Code. So once you get to the website page here, we're going to click on the turtle option here, the yellow rectangle, and wait for that to load. This is the page that opens up after you click on the turtle icon. What we're going to do now is we're going to click on the blank icon here, wait for that to load up. And now what we're going to do is we are going to click on this plus sign down here and we're going to choose our sprite. You've got a few to choose from. I'm going to choose the rocket. And now your challenge now is to use this space to do some drawing. And over here you can see we've got the green pen option. So we're going to click on that to select that the pen's being put down. And then using the forwards and backwards and turn right and turn left options, we're going to see if we can draw a letter. So for example, let's click on this. I'm going to make this go forward, and now you can see it's drawing a line for me. And I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to go forward, and then I'm going to turn right. I'm going to go forward again, and I'm going to go forward again, and I'm going to turn right, and I'm not going to draw a letter. I'm just going to show you how this works, so you can work it out how to draw your own letter. So you might have to use some backwards coding going on here to use the backwards option. I'm going to turn right again, and over here on this side over here you can see all the codes I've written to write my letter, and I can click on play now and we can watch the code being executed, and you can see each of the blue blocks down here tells you exactly what my robot's doing for me. And that is how you use the J2 coding block here to write some letters using code. Next we're going to actually take a screenshot of this, and then we're going to upload it to SeeSaw. To take a screen capture of your work, you need to press two keys on your keyboard. The one key you need to press is the Windows key, and the other one is the print screen key. You need to press the Windows key with your left hand and then hold that down, and then with your right hand press the print screen key once, and your picture has been saved to your computer. Next we're going to work out how to then upload that picture to SeeSaw. To upload your screenshot of your J2E code, what you need to do is make sure you open up SeeSaw, and then once you've opened up SeeSaw you can click on the green add button here, and what we're going to do now is you're going to upload a picture. So click on here and we're going to upload a photo. So once we click on upload a photo, we can then select from Google Drive or select from our computer. We're going to select from our computer, so we'll click on this. We now need to click on the pictures icon that pops up here, and then once that opens up we need to click on the screenshots folder, because that's where your print screen images are saved to. And once that opens up, what we're going to do then is we're going to select on the particular picture we want to load. So I'm going to choose this one, and then once that's been selected I then click on the open button, and that will upload my picture to SeeSaw. And this is what your picture looks like when you've uploaded it. And now what we're going to do is click on the green tick. And now we can see that our screenshot has been put into SeeSaw, and we can do some things with it. So what we can do is we can click on the record function. We can make sure we can choose the pen here. So let's just slide the pen to a different color. There, that'll do us. Let's click on this. Let's make the pen a little bit thicker so we can see what we're doing, and we can click on the record function and start the recording. And then once we're recording, we can annotate and say this is the code over here that I wrote to make my shape of my letter like this. And when you're happy with that, when you're finished, what you can do is you can click on the pause icon. You can then click on done over here, and once it's done you can listen to your video if you want to, but when you've finished that, what you can do is you can now click on the tick and choose your name. So I'll choose my name and click tick, and then it submits. Which folder am I going to put it in? I'll put it in my numeracy folder, I think, and tick and send it. There we go, and now it's waiting for my teacher approval. And that's how you create some code in J2Code.com and then you upload it to SeeSaw.